Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be cash stuffing my first check for the month of October. As you can see here, I have went ahead and budgeted it out on my budget planner. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing I am going to be sharing with you is I will be cash stuffing a lot less. I am going to start evolving to investing more of my money. So off top, $600 comes out and is invested into my solo 401k. So all I'll be cash stuffing today is $1,200. The very first thing we're going to get into today is the bills. All right, so the first thing we're going to be stuffing here is the rent. So for this month, I'm just going to be adding $1,000 towards rent. So we're going to do $250 a week. So we're going to add $250 to our rent envelope. Okay. So that's $250 total there. Up next, we have utilities and 2 utilities. That's lights, gas, and water on my behalf. And we're going to be adding $50. The light bill has been increased significantly, but I still think I'll be okay with my normal $200 because I just pay half. So Wi-Fi is going to be getting $20. I actually can probably start putting less in here. We upgraded internets, but it actually got cheaper. It's only about $64 a month. So I probably need to lower that amount. T-Mobile, which is our cell phone service, will be getting $30. I'm going to add 30 here. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And I do keep extra in there just because I like to be a little ahead on that bill. I feel more comfortable that way. Self-Lender will be receiving $10. If you don't know what Self-Lender is, it is a credit rebuilding app. So if you are a person who struggles with your credit score, Self-Lender is a great way to raise it. You basically take out a CD, make payments to them every month. They fund the CD, and at the end of it, they write you a check for what you paid in. You can also open a secured credit card with your deposit. It's phenomenal. Self-Lender has helped me raise my score almost 200 points. Let's see, streaming, which is pardon for the fly. I don't know why we still have flies and it's October, but whatever. Streaming will be receiving $20. And that's for like Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max, things of that sort. Our storage will be receiving $60. We moved into a bigger storage unit, so it's about $230 a month. We've actually pretty much outgrown that one, so I'm out hunting again for a warehouse. So yeah, yearly subscriptions will be getting, I'm not even writing here. So storage has 60, streaming has 20, and yearly subscriptions is going to be getting $5. And then here we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550, 570, 590, 600. So we have $600 in yearly subscriptions, and we'll hopefully be using those here soon. Okay, and here is just credit cards. This is where I will put rollover money, and I'm actually going to be adding money to this here in just a moment. So I'm just going to sit it up here for a second because I actually should have started out with my cash envelopes, but that's okay. I don't have any cards in here yet because I'm not sure if I even want to add my ID because y'all be all in my business. So for gas here, so I actually didn't end up putting any gas in my car this week. We didn't need it. So we started with $100 there. We didn't spend anything. So we have $100 remaining. Groceries, we probably started with $150 there. I'm not sure what we had. So we spent $150. So there's nothing remaining there. DoorDash, we usually put $40 in there. We spent the whole thing. So there's nothing remaining there. For spending money, I don't know why in the hell there is so much money in here. I have no idea where this came from. $280. I am not at all sure what is going on here. I'll figure it out. Miscellaneous has nothing left. I believe we put $5 there, so we'll say we'll spend the whole $5. And then Help a Human still has $5. I go ahead and roll that over. So what we're gonna do with this money? Oh, I took this money because I thought I was going out of town. That's what I did. So we'll go ahead and we'll do something with this money. Probably put it in travel. But for now, this $100, I'm going to go ahead and put it towards my 100 envelope challenge. Or so for gas, we are going to go ahead and add $50 this week. I know for sure I need gas. Just haven't had time to go get it. Groceries, we're going to be adding $200. I'm going to use these already bent 200s. I'll just move those back for groceries because groceries are getting expensive. I don't even know if that's going to be enough. Like, it's outrageous. Eating out is going to get $50. Do I have a 50 back here? I'm going to use these two 20s and a 10 for eating out. Again, I do use this on my credit card and just pay it back with cash. But we actually went, that's if I do DoorDash, but we actually went to a drive up last week. So spending is going to get $20. And that is all for our cash envelopes. I did say I wanted to contribute more to Help a Human. So I'm actually going to put $20 in here. And I'm going to make it my mission to get this money given to somebody this week. Okay. So that is all for our cash envelope wallet. Let's see. Next up, we want to work on our sinking funds. So up first here, we have our high priority funds. We have Christmas, it's not getting anything. Neither will holidays. Medical expenses are going to get $20. So we're gonna add a 20 in here. So in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,050, 70, 90, 1110, 1130, 1150, 1160. So we have $1,160 in medical expenses. I actually have 2 doctor's appointments this month, so most of this will get spent. I pay all cash at the doctor. That's why I leave so much money in here in case anybody was wondering. Deductible is met. Car insurance is going to receive $20. So in here now we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,050, 1,070, 1,090, 1,110, 1,130, 1,155. So we have $1,155 in car insurance. We pay this every 6 months. It's about $600, give or take. Households will be receiving $40. There's nothing in there. This is a brand new sinking fund. So I'm going to add this. So we have $40 in there now. 6 months of expenses is a new fund. I want to have 6 months worth of expenses just because. So a lot of people will see this fund in 6 months or whatever and be like, how did you get so much put away? I literally am just going to add whatever I can with each check. So up next, we have our low priority sinking funds. And the very first one we want to attack here is travel. And to travel, we're going to be adding $20. So we have $1,000 in the bank for that fund. We're going to be adding 20 today, as well as, let's do 250 from that other, the money I was supposed to go on a trip last week when I was off, but Seems like I'm never really off. So we have 1,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000. 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 600, 700, 750, 770, 790, 810, 830, 850, 870, 890, 900, 910, 920. So we have $2,920 in travel. And I'm actually not going to put any 1K slips because I'm hoping and determined to go somewhere soon, and I don't want to have to go back and forth to the bank. So I'm just going to leave it for now, and it also forces me because that money is sitting here to try to spend it. So my nieces are getting $15 because, you know, you got to live too. You can't just make a bunch of money and never spend it. So in here we have 100, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91. So we have $391 for my nieces. And that's anything they need or when they come visit, any activities we do. I am childless, not technically, I guess. My sister passed and I've been raising her daughter for about 6 years, but I haven't birthed any children, so they're as close as it gets. Rico doesn't need anything, neither does perfume. Hair products doesn't, but skincare does. It's gonna get $20. So 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330. So we have $330 in skincare. As you get older, you definitely want to start investing into more quality skincare products, just to make sure that, you know, you're looking good as you age. So emergency fund is going to be receiving $50. This is another new one. So 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350. I'm going to go ahead and add this rollover 100. So it'll be 450. Okay, so we now have $450 in that emergency fund. And again, I am just wanting another emergency fund. This one is just going to be just for my home, for home emergencies. My other emergency fund is pretty close, and I also have the 6 months to add into that, but I definitely want something for any home emergencies that happen. So I have added that there. I went ahead and transferred over my $100 towards my student loan payment. And so now we are, oh, I guess I didn't. Yes, I did. I want to put this $10 towards my credit card. It's like, why did I leave this open? So very last here, we are going to work on our savings challenges in this beautiful A6. Let me move this stuff out of the way. Okay, so we have $150 here for challenges, and we are going to do our monthly September challenge first. Okay, excuse me, October. Why did I write September? It's a whole new month. So we're adding $100 to this challenge, and so for me, that is going to be, let's see, it's October. Let's do orange. That's going to be 2 bats because each of my bats is worth $9.50. So we're going to add that $100, and we now have $100 in this October challenge. You can literally make your bats worth $5 or $1 or whatever. I'm just trying to push myself to really save as much as I can by the end of the year so I can get those student loans taken care of. The very last challenge we are going to do here is our 52-week challenge. And I already colored it. Already colored my 50 for this one. So I'm just going to be adding $50 to the envelope here. And that's all for our savings challenge binder. Okay, so that is everything. We got our whole budget taken care of and cash stuff for this week, which is awesome. I appreciate you guys being here as always. I'm trying to play catch up with these videos. It's been a crazy week, but I will get everything out so that you guys can follow along as I budget for the entire month. Make sure that you are following me over on Instagram if you are not already. Subscribe to the email list so that you can be in the loop for all things Black Friday. I have some really dope deals, some really good savings. I don't run sales at all, ever. But Black Friday, we do sales and we do them well. I think the link over there is going to be baddiesblackfriday.com. I'm working on it, but stay tuned, y'all. You want to be in the loop for this. If you love my products, if you love things I sell, we have new things coming. Make sure you stay in the loop. You guys have a really great week. Bye.